Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel India Gate. This is Nandi Sharma, and in second part of the C programming language, we talk about the intro of C important terms like data type, keywords, operators, comments and constant. Now before starting off this session, if you want new Gate tricks, tips and important point, so please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for all notification of my latest video, which is going to very helpful for you. So let's start. Data type in C. So there are various type of data types in C, like your basic data types, derived data types, enumerable data types and void data type. So now discuss about basic data types like integer, character, float and double. Here another one is a basic data type like your long double. Now the size of the integer is 2 byte and the size of the character is 1 byte and the size of the float is 4 byte and the last move on this size of the double is 8 byte. Now come to the derived data types like your array, pointer, structure, union, enumerable data types like your enum, and last is your void data type like void. Now come to the basic terms related to your basic data types. So first is the basic data types are integer based and floating point based. C language support both signed and unsigned literals. The memory size of the basic data type may change according to 30 or 64-bit operating system. And important term of another is that its size is given according to 30-bit architecture. Now come to the keywords. So what is a keywords? Basically keywords are your reserved word, or also we say the keyword is your predefined words. So you can't use it as a variable name, constant name, etc. because it is your reserved. So you cannot be used like your variable and constant name. There are only 32 reserved words or keywords in C programming language. This is important points for you. Here only 32 keywords in the C programming language. Now come to the C operators. So what is your operator? So operator is simply a symbol that is used to perform operations. There can be many type of operations like your arithmetic, logical, bitwise, relational and etc. For example, here a plus b plus c equal to 10, where a, b, c is your operands and plus and equal to symbol is your operator. Now here I am discuss only the intro of C operator, but it is very important and broad term. So if you want video on C operator, then comment me in comment section. Then I will prepare a very helpful video on C operator where I will discuss about all type of C operator and details and with example. Now move on. Comments in C. So there are two types comments in C. First is your single line comment and second is your multi-line comment. So how to give the single line comments in C programming language? So here I define a simply program has included studio.h int main, and here it is defined forward slash and then write here your statement and your keywords and print hello words. Okay, how to give you multi-line comments? So multi-line comment is start with forward slash with star and end with first star then forward slash, which is discussed in here. Now what is the escape sequence? For example, here hash include stereo.h int main int num equal to 50, print in bracket u slash n r slash n learn slash n c slash n slash language slash n in close quotes do you know c and close the bracket and return 0. So when we use slash n slash t, it is your new line, and slash t. Now the output of the according to given program is your, in the first line you can print u, second r, then learning C language. Do you know C language? So here using of the slash n, which is used for the new line. Due to of this, it is giving your escape sequence like you are learning C language. Do you know C language? Now come to the constant in C programming language. So what is constant? A constant is a value or variable that can't be changed in a program. For example, first is your decimal constant like your 10, 20, 29, 99, etc. Real or floating point constant. So here the floating point of the constant is represented like 10.3, 20.2, 29.3 and etc. And third is your octal constant. So it is used only 0 to 7 integer, not greater than 7, means it is less than your 8, not be greater than 7. And the octal constant is represent like your 0 to 1, 3, 4, 5, 1, 6, 7, etc. Come to the next and fourth is your hexadecimal constant. So hexadecimal constant is represented using of 0 to 9 integer plus A to F characters. So using of these we can represent like 0x to A, 0 into 7b, 0 into AA and etc. Now come to the character constant. So character constant is defined as your basically A, B, X, etc. Now come to the string constant. So string constant is contains sequence of characters like your C program, etc. Now come to the how to define a constant in C. So there are two ways to define constant in C. First is using of C, a constant keyword, and second is using hash defined preprocessor. So basis of the first has include studio.h int main, and here we using constant keyword with using of float pi equal to 3.14 and semicolon then, and here after the terminating this our line of code, then we print the value of the pi is %f pi and terminating this statement and return 0 for successful execution of the program. Now using of another like your has defined preprocessor like has included studio, then int main, constant float pi equal to 3.14 and pi equal to 4.5, then print the value of pi is %f pi and return 0. Now what is the difference between the both type of definition of this C constant? So there only one difference, that when we use constant keywords. So we get pi is equal to 3.1400 and so on. And but we here using of preprocessor we got compile time error because we can't modify the constant object, because here pi, the value of the pi is your constant object, so we can't be modify like 4.5. so due to of this it create compile time error. This session is end here. I hope you understand all the points. Thank you for watching.